Elements of writing: argument and discussion. On most courses, it is not enough to show that you are familiar with the leading authorities. Students are expected to study the conflicting views on any topic and engage with them. This means analyzing and critiquing them if appropriate. This unit presents ways of demonstrating our familiarity with both sides of an argument and presenting your own conclusions in a suitably academic manner. Discussion vocabulary. Essay titles commonly ask students to discuss a topic. Children will learn a foreign language more easily if it is integrated with another subject discussed. This requires an evaluation of both the benefits and disadvantages of the topic, with a section of the essay, sometimes headed discussion, in which a summary of these is made. The following vocabulary can be used. Organization. This discussion section can be organized in two ways: either by grouping the benefits in one paragraph and the disadvantages in another, or by examining the subject from different viewpoints. For example, the following essay title can be discussed in two ways as shown. Prisons do little to reform criminals and their use should be limited. Discuss. The language of discussion. In a discussion, common ideas avoid personal phrases such as "in my opinion" or "personality." Use impersonal phrases such as "it is generally accepted that working from home saves commuting time." It is widely argued that email and the internet reduce reliance on an office. Most people appear to need face-to-face contact with colleagues. It is portable that more companies will encourage working from home. The evidence suggests that certain people are better than the self-management. These phrases suggest a minority viewpoint. It can be argued that home working encourages time wasting. One view is that home workers become isolated. Counter arguments. Counter arguments are ideas that are opposite to your ideas. In an academic discussion, you must show that you are familiar with both sides of the argument and provide a reason to support your positions. It is usual to deal with the counter argument first before giving your view. It is claimed that prisons are needed to isolate dangerous to criminals from society. But while this may be true in some cases, more commonly, prisons act as a universities of crime, which reinforces criminal behavior. This example topic: counter argument, your opinion. Some people believe that home workers become isolated, but this can be avoided by holding weekly meeting for all departmental staff. Cohesion. Cohesion means joining a text together with reference words and conjunction, so that the whole text is clear and readable. This unit practices the use of reference words while conjunction are examined.
உனக்கு பேர் வச்சிருக்கா யூனிவர்சிட்டி இப்படி கீழே வர காலை கீழே போடு இன்னொன்று எடுத்துக்கிறியா